Next is geometric curve. Equation is y is equal to a into b raised to x. If you have geometric curve from the given data to the fit y is equal to a into b raised to a into x raised to b, it is geometric curve. Let the curve to be fitted be described by the equation y is equal to a into x raised to b, where b is non-integer. Non-integer means b doesn't belong to z, where z is set of all integers, so it doesn't belongs to z. Taking logarithmic both the sides, you get log 10 base y is equal to log 10 base a plus b into log 10 base x. Log 10 base y, call it capital Y. Log 10 base a, call it capital A, plus small b as it is. Log 10 base x, call it capital X. So here is equation of y is equal to a plus b into x, which is linear. But you know what is the normal equation of linear line? It is summation of this one, summation of y is equal to n into a plus b into, here is capital X, where capital X is log 10 base x, and summation of xy is equal to a summation x plus b summation x square. It is normal equation of the y is equal to a into x raised to b, where capital X is log 10 base x, capital Y is log 10 base y, capital A is log 10 base a. Also small a is, if you both the side taking anti-log, you get value of small a. Small a is anti-log of capital A. The value of the constants a and b are obtained by solving above two normal equation. એટલે a અને b ની કોન્સ્ટન્ટ વેલ્યુ કઈ રીતે મળે, જે આપણે અગાઉ એક્ઝામ્પલમાં કરતા એ જ રીતે નોર્મલ ઇક્વેશનને સોલ્વ કરવાથી સ્મોલ a અને સ્મોલ b ની વેલ્યુ ફાઇન્ડ મળે. The example is using the method of least square, fit a geometric curve y is equal to a x raised to b to the following data. એટલે આ ડેટામાં કર્વ કઈ રીતે ફિટ કરવાનો છે એ આપણે જોઈ. એના માટે a અને b ની વેલ્યુ આપણે find કરવી પડે. We want to find value of a and b. So the geometric curve, normal equation of the geometric curve y is equal to a into x raised to b as above. Summation y is equal to n into a plus b into summation x, and summation xy is equal to a into summation x plus b into summation x square. For that, we want to draw the table. First of all, you have to write value of x and y, value of y as given the example. For that, you have to find log 10 base x. So press the button of log 10 base and 61, you get log 10 base x. It is 1.7853. Similarly, all the value and sum of them is summation capital X. And similarly, you have to find x into y, log 10 base y is capital Y, and x square. Sum all of them, put all the value, corresponding all the value in normal equation. You get capital A, and here is capital A and capital B. So you get capital A and capital B. If you have capital A, then antilog of capital A, you get small a. Value of B is here. Value of A is here. So you get y is equal to a into x raised to b. put the value of a and value of b in the equation, you get